Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
Continue with words 2,301 through 2,400. 2301, cabin.
We stayed in a mountain cabin.
2302, cafeteria.
Students ate lunch in the cafeteria.
2303, calculator.
I used a calculator for the math test.
2304, cancellation.
The flight cancellation surprised everyone.
2305, candidate.
The candidate answered every question.
2306, capability.
She has great leadership capability.
2307, capital city.
Tokyo is Japan's capital city.
2308, captain.
The captain welcomed the passengers.
2309, career goal.
My career goal is to become an engineer.
2310, careful planning.
Success requires careful planning.
2311, cashier desk.
Please pay at the cashier desk.
2312, catalog.
I looked through the store catalog.
2313, category.
This product belongs in another category.
2314, celebration dinner.
We enjoyed a celebration dinner.
2315, certificate program.
She joined a certificate program.
2316, challenge yourself.
Challenge yourself every day.
2317, championship.
Our team won the championship.
2318, charity event.
We attended a charity event.
2319, chemical reaction.
The experiment showed a chemical reaction.
2320, childhood.
I remember my happy childhood.
2321, citizen service.
Citizen service is improving.
2322, civil engineer.
My uncle is a civil engineer.
2323, classroom activity.
Today's classroom activity was fun.
2324, climate change.
Climate change affects everyone.
2325, coaching.
Good coaching improves performance.
2326, coastline.
We walked along the coastline.
2327, colleague meeting.
I attended a colleague meeting.
2328, collection.
Her coin collection is impressive.
2329, comfortable chair.
This comfortable chair is new.
2330, communication skill.
Communication skills are important.
2331, community service.
Students completed community service.
2332, company policy.
Please read the company policy.
2333, comparison.
The comparison was interesting.
2334, competition winner.
The competition winner smiled proudly.
2335, complaint form.
Please complete the complaint form.
2336, computer file.
Save the computer file.
2337, computer network.
The computer network is secure.
2338, conference room.
Meet me in the conference room.
2339, confidence builder.
Daily practice is a confidence builder.
2340, construction worker.
The construction worker wore a helmet.
2341, contact information.
Please update your contact information.
2342, contract.
Both companies signed the contract.
2343, conversation practice.
Conversation practice improves fluency.
2345, cooking class.
She joined a cooking class.
2346, cooperation.
Cooperation leads to success.
2347, customer satisfaction.
Customer satisfaction is important.
2348, customer support.
Customer support answered quickly.
2349, Data analysis.
Data analysis helps businesses.
2350. Decision maker.
She is the decision maker.
2351. Delivery service.
The delivery service was fast.
2352. Department manager.
The department manager approved it.
2353. Development plan.
We created a development plan.
2354. Digital camera.
My digital camera takes clear photos.
2355. Digital payment.
Digital payment is convenient.
2356. Discussion group.
Our discussion group meets weekly.
2357. Distance learning.
Many students enjoy distance learning.
2358. Document folder.
Put it in the document folder.
2360. Driving lesson.
My driving lesson was helpful.
2361. Educational program.
The educational program is free.
2362. Emergency contact.
List your emergency contact.
2363. Emergency service.
Emergency services arrived quickly.
2364. Employment opportunity.
This is a good employment opportunity.
2365. Engineering project.
The engineering project succeeded.
2366. Entrance fee.
The entrance fee is $10.
2367. Environmental protection.
Environmental protection is important.
2368. Equipment list.
Check the equipment list.
2369. Evening class.
I attend an evening class.
2370. Exercise routine.
Exercise is part of my routine.
2371. Family gathering.
Our family gathering was enjoyable.
2372. Financial advice.
She gave helpful financial advice.
2373. Financial report.
The financial report was positive.
2374. First impression.
You made a great first impression.
2375. Fitness center.
I joined a fitness center.
2376. Flight schedule.
The flight schedule changed.
2377. Food safety.
Food safety is important.
2378. Foreign language.
English is a foreign language for many people.
2380. Friendly reminder.
This is a friendly reminder.
2381. Future plans.
We discussed our future plans.
2382. Garden center.
We bought flowers at the garden center.
2383. General knowledge.
Reading improves general knowledge.
2384. Goal setting.
Goal setting helps you succeed.
2385. Grocery shopping.
Grocery shopping takes time.
2386. Group discussion.
The group discussion was productive.
2387. Guest speaker.
The guest speaker inspired us.
2388. Health insurance.
Health insurance is important.
2389. Healthy lifestyle.
She lives a healthy lifestyle.
2390. Historical building.
We visited a historical building.
2391. Home office.
He works from his home office.
2392. Homework assignment.
I completed my homework assignment.
2393. Hotel reservation.
Confirm your hotel reservation.
2394. Human resources.
Human resources answered my questions.
2395. Identification card.
Show your identification card.
2396. Important decision.
That was an important decision.
2397. Independent study.
Independent study requires discipline.
2398. Information desk.
Ask at the information desk.
2399. Internet access.
The hotel offers free internet access.
2400. Interview question.
She answered every interview question.
Excellent job!
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 25.
Goodbye and happy learning!